Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your H&M account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your name within your account, click on My Account at the top section and then click on Account Settings. Now within the settings page, alongside My Details, you will see the edit button. Click on this option and now you will be able to edit your details. Underneath the first and the last name section, just type in your correct username that you wish to change into. Once you enter your desired name, scroll down and click on the Save button. And now your username will be changed within your H&M account right away. You can come back to this menu and change your personal details at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your H&M account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.